Hello everyone, my name is Special Effects Guy and today I'm going to show you how to open a picture into Photoshop. So you gotta go to File, Open, and open the image. Like you just press it and press Open. And this is pretty much what you gotta do. Yeah. So if you do have other requests, be sure to comment down in the description below, and I certainly will be able to respond in the next couple of minutes or maybe hours, so I could actually upload a new video tutorial on how to do whatever you would like or you'd like to know. So yeah, thank you for watching, and one more thing, just be sure to subscribe to my channel because I want to achieve 1000 subscribers. It's one of my personal goals on this month. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.